Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change use HTTP setting on your Canon i-SENSYS MF657. So first, what we need to do is we need to go over to menu. Now here, let's go to preferences and go to the network. Here we need to go to TCP and IP settings, and right here we will need to scroll down until we see use HTTP. Basically, when you're not using the remote UI or anything else, then it will disable the WSD print and the remote UI. So if you're good with that and you're not using it, then you guys can click off and then click yes. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, sub and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.